Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your store name on Amazon Seller. First, log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Once inside, locate the Settings menu, usually found in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Account Info. This section holds all the essential details about your seller account, including your business information. This initial step is crucial for accessing the necessary modification options. After navigating to Account Info, you'll see various sections. Look for Business Information or Seller Profile. Within this area, you should find an option labeled Display Name or something similar. Click on it to edit. Before making any changes, ensure your new store name adheres to Amazon's naming policies. Having a clear, compliant name is vital for your brand's presence on the marketplace. Now you're ready to input your new store name. Carefully type your desired name into the provided field. Double-check for any typos or errors and confirm it meets all of Amazon's guidelines, such as not including special characters or promotional phrases. Once you are satisfied, click the Save or Submit button to finalize your request. This action sends your updated information to Amazon for review. After submitting, Amazon will review your name change request. This process usually takes a short period, often ranging from a few hours up to 24 hours, before the new name is fully reflected across the platform. It's a good practice to check your public seller profile after this waiting period to confirm the update. Congratulations, your Amazon store now proudly displays its new identity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.